Welcome to a new weekly vlog. Today is Thursday. I've just come back from running some errands, so basically we are away again this weekend. We are, very excitingly, we're going to Whitby with G's parents, and we're going for something that we've been talking about doing for so long. And basically there's a Goth weekend down in Whitby every year, and for the past 5-6 years we've been saying we want to go and do the Goth weekend. Whitby is where Bram Stoker set some of Dracula, so that's why it's got such a strong kind of goth connection with the whole Dracula kind of story. And yeah, I'm so excited. I think it's going to be so good for some street photography, so I'm going to take my camera. I need to charge it up today, and yeah, I'll take you along with me. It's going to be full of fish and chips and yeah, exploring Whitby by the seaside. So excited. I hope the weather's nice for it. So I just had to drop our house keys off to our cat sitter, who doesn't live very far. She lives around the corner, so I had a nice catch up with her, and then I went to the shops and picked up some ingredients for lunch and dinner tonight. We forgot to order like a Gusto or a HelloFresh this week, so I was looking at Instagram. Does anyone else have like a million saved folders on Instagram? Because I'm like a digital hoarder. I like hoard all the posts that I see and like. So I've got like categories for like food, travel, hobbies, which is basically knitting, London food, like restaurants I want to go to, fashion oh my god, sorry, my hay fever's getting bad, fashion, home inspo, makeup, cats. I've got a cats folder. On the walk there, I just had a look in my food folder at any recipes I could cook for dinner tonight, and I saw I saved this a couple of days ago. It's a creamy chicken and cauliflower like one pot dish from an account called Gathered Nutrition, and I just thought it looked so delicious and so easy, so I picked up all the ingredients from my local market and co-op. I had to go to both. I like getting my fresh fruit and vegetables from my local like food market, and then like meat and stuff I'll pick up from the supermarket. I've got my cauliflower. I don't think cauliflower's in season at the moment. This was one of the only ones there. I've got some carrots because we are currently obsessed with this hummus, guys. I need to tell you about this hummus. This hummus from Co-op is unreal. It's the sweet chili hummus. Oh my god, we are obsessed with this. Normally I like my hummus like non-flavored, like plain, but this we've been through so many tubs. It can't be very good for you, but it is so good. So yeah, we just snack on this quite a lot. We'll snack on this as we're making lunch, and as we're making dinner we'll just eat hummus and carrots. I picked up like a garlic flatbread for dunking in the chicken dish tonight, and then yeah, I bought everything else. I got some red peppers, onion, Greek feta cheese, cream cheese, spinach. So yeah, I'm gonna put this all away, and then I think I'm gonna bunker down to do some blog post writing. You are right in the way of the fridge, little one. Ooh, we've got some kale as well left over, so I could do some crispy kale to sprinkle on top of that dish. That might... Oh no, I dropped my phone in the sink. Ew. It's also that time of the month. Does anyone get a really bad stomach when they're on their period? I think that's TMI. Yeah, I just get the worst stomach. Like, I'm in agony. So I need a hot water bottle. I actually don't know what I would do without a hot water bottle in my life at that time of the month. I don't know what I'd do. I've just spent far too long editing all the pictures for my Spain blog post, but they're currently uploading into WordPress. Not sure how long this is going to take because they're uploading so slowly. I think I might need to restart it because yeah, it seems to have just stopped. I've also got a call with my management now, just a little catch up because we haven't really spoken properly in a while. So yeah, it's just a very, very busy day. Also, because we're away this weekend, I want to make sure that I get some Instagram content scheduled, so I'm going to write some captions as well. Very, very boring at home work day today, I'm afraid, for the old vlog. I have made my dinner. That was really easy. It's definitely a bit more soupy, a bit more liquidy than the original, but it's still going to be delicious. Here it is. And we've got our naan bread on the side. Give it a try. Favourite utensil is a spork. Spoon, fork.
Not as chilli flavoured as we thought.
That's good, that. I feel like this is quite healthy as well. Maybe. Would recommend. I'll leave the recipe in the description. We are coming up to Whitby, guys. We've just checked into our hotel, which is called the Bagdale Hall. This is the second time we've stayed here, and we've come back because it's so nice. We're staying in room number 1, and oh my god, look at this room, it's huge. It's like bigger than our downstairs combined. So cool. So haunted. Defo haunted. Definitely got ghosts in this hotel. Love the fireplace, love the 4-poster bed, and then these like windows with the iron pattern on. I'm dressed in my best gothic attire, some faux leather trousers, black t-shirt. I've got some black lipstick with me, probably not going to wear that. So it is the Saturday of Whitby Goth Festival. We're in the exhibition and the clothes are unreal. I'm a bit boring with my fashion choices, but I could buy a whole outfit here that makes me look amazing. I kind of love that. Been out all day. We've just come back for a little bit of a chill, but I wanted to show you, I purchased a couple of things in the Goth exhibition centre, and I just wanted to show you because I'm obsessed. I'll bring you over here. How's my oat milk? Is it still there? Okay, so there was this lady who had handmade loads of like felt items, and so first of all I purchased this, which is a bauble for our Christmas tree, and it is a little Dracula bauble made out of felt. I just think he is so cute. He's got his little like blood droplet going down, he's got his bat wings, and I love that it's handmade. I think he's so great. And then we saw this and I just had to get this guy as well, and I'm thinking, well, I purchased this for my mum's for a birthday present for my mum because we are Dracula fans. He's so cute, but I'm so tempted to keep him because I think he's fantastic. And then this was a bit of an impulse purchase, but she made these like mushroom men, and we got one. So we got, he's called a he's a king trumpet. And she like makes all the bits of these. So here he is. He looks like a king trumpet. She made a dragonfly for his hat, and this little like beaded staff and a little bottle. How cute is he? You can't tell me that's not just the cutest haul of felt items. that was what I purchased. And then we just had a little, Jeannie and I had a little walk up to Whitby Abbey. There's lots of goths hanging out in the graveyard. Everyone's super friendly. Everyone's like so up for having their picture taken. So I've just been walking around with my Fuji, and I might actually, now that we're back having a chill, I might import some of the pictures onto my phone and have a look at them. Yeah, let's do that. I'm definitely going to get into bed as well because it is cold out. Hey guys, how you doing? Today is Tuesday. Wet hair. I'm really into air drying my hair at the moment. That's reminded me I need to book a hair appointment, but my hair is just like it's in desperate need of a trim at the bottom, and so I'm just so worried about putting heat on it. I'm going to let it air dry a little bit more and then put it in a plait. I'm in my gym gear. I've got my first circus class of the term. I am massively breaking out in eczema all over my shoulders. I don't know if you can see that. It's so annoying. It's like a combination of like stress and maybe like warm weather flares it up a bit. Also like hay fever. I just like crumble in the spring. My whole body crumbles. So yeah, I'm really just frustrated because my neck and my shoulder blades, I don't know if you can see, it's all up here as well, just feels on fire. So frustrating. But what am I talking about? I filmed a brand job this morning. I've been on the phone doing some admin this morning. Oh, the most exciting thing, I don't know why I didn't say this, it's mine and G's 2-year wedding anniversary today. 2 years since the most amazing day of our lives. So to celebrate, we are going to Greece in a couple of weeks time, but like today he's in the office, I've got so much work to do, and I've got my circus class which I can't really miss because I want to be missing some in the future. So he's going to meet me in Hoxton after my circus class, and we're going to go to our favourite Korean restaurant in Shoreditch. It's called On The Bab, and we're going to go for some Korean fried chicken and some bibimbap. But yeah, I'm really excited to see him and celebrate. I woke up to a cup of tea and a card this morning, and yeah, it's just nice. Also, this is random, I wasn't going to mention this, but has anyone been watching Baby Reindeer on Netflix? I'm sure you all have. I've seen everyone talking about it. Well, I have just dug out all my old phones. These are just a couple of them. Some very old iPhones here. And I'm charging them up. I'm trying to guess what one I had in 2016 because, guys, my mum reminded me that we saw Richard Gadd live do a comedy set, and apparently that night his stalker was in the audience. Now, I don't remember a stalker. I do remember a heckler, but the heckler was a guy who was just like a regular at that venue that particular night. But yeah, I saw Richard Gadd play Camden in 2016, and I'm sure I've got pictures of him doing that set that we saw in episode 2, I want to say. It's when he does that musical bit, and I'm sure I took a picture or at least some video, so I thought I'd try and charge up some old phones and see if I can find it on there. Oh, one of them's just turned on. Let's have a look what phone this was. Does anyone remember when iPhone brought out these very, very garish phones? I'm pretty sure this pink one might be 2016. If I've got that right first time. And this is back in the day when I used to make my own iPhone covers. Like, I would find a website that allowed you to print whatever pattern you wanted on there. Okay, it's on, and I think this might be 2016. Ooh, 2015. Okay, so I need to go a bit, I need to find the one up from this one, which, I mean, these two look identical, so I have no idea. Maybe this one? The last pictures on this phone from 2015 are of my wedding venue. This is a bit weird. My wedding venue that I was going to be getting married in with my ex-fiance. So I've just got loads of pictures of our wedding venue. That's a bit weird, isn't it, to find that on the day of my second very happy wedding anniversary. Okay, so I'm going to charge the next one up now. I wonder if I'll be able to find it by the time I get this vlog up. Looking at old content just makes me so sad because I just wasn't a happy person back then. Very sad times. Oh, you guys, I've just received the most gorgeous bunch of flowers for our anniversary, even though we said we weren't doing gifts. Maurice is already in the box. You in the cat box? Look at this. Not only the most beautiful flowers in this like Liberty wrapping paper, but also a Biscuiteers biscuit. Oh, I love Biscuiteers, my faves. How stunning are those? I'm just going to put them in a vase now. I'm also going to heat up my lunch. I have this. It's a bowl, 1 pot Thai Massaman curry. I love these for days where you're super busy and a bit stressed and want something easy and delicious. They are quite expensive. I think this is around like £3.50, but it means that I don't have to cook and I don't actually have time for that right now. So yeah, I'm gonna do my flowers whilst I heat this up. I haven't had this one before actually. I normally go for the dal, which is really nice.